Hi there, I'm going to be sharing this beautiful and elegant updo that is perfect for when you're running late or when you've only got a few minutes to spare, but you still want to look effortless and very put together. So I've seen this hairstyle called the Gibson tuck, the inverted bun, the inverse bun, and I'm sure a couple of other names, but it has got to be the most simplest and easiest updo out there. At the same time, it's so gorgeous and so elegant. You really don't require a lot, and there's not a lot of technique behind it. So through a little bit of trial and error, I was able to come up with the most perfect and voluminous inverted bun. So I think what I did differently this time around is I tied my ponytail a little bit higher than I did before. So you're going to start by securing a ponytail at about ear level or higher. You're going to tie it about 3 times. On the third tie, you're going to pull it, but not all the way through. You're going to form that loop. Then you're going to loosen your hair tie and form a hole. It's as if you're going to create a topsy tail, but you're not going to pull the hair all the way through the hole. So you're just going to tuck that loop and the remaining ends of your hair into that hole. And the reason I say you want to make your ponytail a little bit higher is that you want enough tuck space. I did this before where I created my ponytail at about the nape of my neck, almost at shoulder length, and it was a very low ponytail, and when I tried to tuck in the rest of the hair, there was not much tuck space below. I was already hitting, or my ponytail was just it was very low. I mean, you can tell if you're going to try this on your own, or you can see what I'm talking about. So again, you're just tucking all your hair into that hole. I'm just playing around with any strands or stray strands or strands that are sticking out. You just want to make sure everything's tucked nicely in there, nothing's sticking out. And then I'm releasing some, or I'm loosening up some of the strands to add some volume. Again, you just adjust as necessary. And that's really all you need to do. You're just creating a high ponytail and then forming that loop and tucking it right into the hole of your hair. And everything's nicely secured or nicely tucked into the pocket of the hair. If you have really long hair, it might be helpful to create a bun instead of that loop ponytail, because that way you have all the hair secured in one ball, or in just you're containing the hair in a bun, and when you tuck it into the hole, none of the strands will stick out. So in the next couple of stills, you'll see the results that I tried from an earlier attempt of the inverted tuck. So you can see here that my ponytail was very low. I didn't have much tuck space, so while it doesn't look half bad, it's not very voluminous. So depending on the look that you're going for, you may want to pull your ponytail higher or lower. So I just finished off this do with a nice little flower. I secured with a bobby pin, and you have the final results. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy updo. It's very wearable for prom, birthdays, special events, special occasions. You can even throw it up for work, or even just wear it casually on a day-to-day basis. As always, thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.